Hello doctors, this is Dr. Sachin, currently working as a medical officer in Himachal Pradesh. As you know, recently I applied for AFMS Short Service Commission and got selected with a rank of 125. Today I have made this video on questions जो कि मुझे AFMS Short Service Commission के इंटरव्यू में पूछे गए थे. It is based on real interview experience and will help you in getting an idea about what type of the questions are asked in the interview and will help you in reducing interview. Firstly, I will tell you about the interview panels and marks of the interview. So, interview panel consists of 5 members. Most probably आपको मेजर जनरल जो कि पैनल के हेड होते हैं देखने को मिलेंगे. साथ ही मेडिसिन, सर्जरी, ओबीजी एंड पीएसएम के डॉक्टर्स भी देखने को मिलेंगे. इसके अलावा ईएनटी ऑफ्था के डॉक्टर्स भी हो सकते हैं. एंड इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन योर लक विच वंस यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑन दैट डे. और अगर इंटरव्यू के मार्क्स की बात करें तो इंटरव्यू टोटल 50 मार्क्स का होता है एंड यू हैव टू गेट मिनिमम ऑफ 25 मार्क्स टू क्वालिफाई द इंटरव्यू. Next, we will talk about the questions that Major General asked me. They were like introduction, what you did after internship, your hobbies, and why you want to join the AFMS. So at least prepare for these questions because most of the time you will be getting these questions only. For hobbies, like in my case, I told him I like to play cricket. So he asked me about team rankings in ODIs, tests and T20Is and also about the pitch dimensions. So prepare for your hobbies accordingly. Now coming to medicine, ये कुछ questions थे जो मुझे पूछे गए थे like tropical debilitating diseases, name any two only, GBS and OP poisoning. And please answer common ones first because मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही GBS बोल दिया था तो उन्होंने मुझे फर्दर क्वेश्चन GBS पे ही पूछ लिया. एंड लकीली आई हैड रेड अबाउट GBS दैट डे. सो प्लीज़ आंसर कॉमन वंस फर्स्ट. फॉर OP पॉइजनिंग दे आस्क्ड अबाउट द सिम्टम्स, मैनेजमेंट एंड एंटीडोट्स ओनली. नाउ कमिंग ऑन सर्जरी. In surgery they asked me a scenario based question like a fat 40 female with right upper abdominal pain with jaundice and asked me what is your diagnosis, investigations and treatment of choice. So please read about these common topics like acute cholecystitis, appendicitis, pancreatitis, etc. Now in OBS they asked me about triple test, quad test, eclampsia management and postpartum hemorrhage, which you all know is the most important question. Now coming to PSM. In PSM they asked me about plague, polio, national health programs and assessment regime of dog bite. In plague they asked me about the type, causative agent, vector, etc. In polio they asked me about in which are the countries where polio is still endemic, and they also asked me about to name some national health programs only, and finally the dog bite. Now some mistakes to avoid. Answer what is asked only. Don't try to be over smart and also don't give any fake answers please. Now some useful tips and tricks. After knowing these questions, you would have realized that only basic questions are asked. जो कि आप अपने प्रॉफ एग्ज़ाम में इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पढ़ते थे वही सेम क्वेश्चंस इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं. सो रिवाइज द बेसिक क्लिनिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स, बी ऑनेस्ट एंड क्लियर इन योर आंसर्स एंड कीप योर आंसर्स शॉर्ट्स एंड रेलिवेंट ओनली. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and do subscribe also.